In this video, I will discuss publishing learning management sites, and I will demonstrate how to publish Canvas and Blackboard sites. I usually prepare the Canvas and Blackboard sites several weeks before the semester begins, but I often struggle with deciding when to publish the course sites. When the sites are published, students have access to the sites and all of the course material. I have found that publishing the Canvas and Blackboard sites the first day of the semester works perfectly. Students have time to read the material before the class begins, and professors are not bombarded with many questions. If the course is published before the first day of the semester, students often have trouble navigating the site and they send multiple emails, which may be difficult to respond to while professors are still preparing for the semester. Publishing the course the first day of the semester ensures that professors are readily available to check their email on a regular basis. To publish a Canvas course, open the Canvas course. Scroll down, click Settings. Click Course Details, scroll down to Start and End Dates. You should be able to change the start and dates. When you're done, click Update Course Details. The end date is set for a week after the semester ends so that students have a chance to view all of their assignments and grades. To publish a Blackboard Learn course, select Properties under Customization in the Control panel. Scroll to the area below Set Availability. Make course available by clicking the circle next to Yes. Scroll down to Set Course Duration and click Select Dates. Choose the date and time that you would like the course to open and the date and time that you would like the course to close. When you're done, click Submit. To publish a Blackboard Ultra course, navigate to the course. Select the three horizontal dots in the top right corner. Click Open Course to make the course available to students. Unfortunately, the university sets the Blackboard Ultra open and close dates. As a result, I contact technical support and inform them that I would like the course to close a week after the semester ends. That will ensure that students can view their grades and assignments up to a week after the course ends. If you are teaching an in-person or a synchronous online course, you can demonstrate how to navigate the course site and explain the syllabus the first day of class. That will significantly decrease student confusion. If you teach an online course that is in an asynchronous format, it is best to prepare a welcome video showing the students how to navigate the course site and explain the syllabus to them. You can email the welcome video, post the welcome video in the Canvas modules, or post the video on Blackboard Learn or Blackboard Ultra. Overall, it is up to the professor to determine when to publish the course site. But regardless of when the site is published, it is important to provide a welcome email or a welcome video describing the class site and the syllabus. That is extremely important if the course is conducted in an asynchronous format and the professor and students never have physical contact with one another.